Hey there, my name's Steve Meller and I am a content creator. I've spent the last 15 years creating content for businesses, whether it's websites, graphic designs, blog posts, corporate videos, photos or sales copy. I've done it all. And I've worked for companies as big as Boeing and as small as boutique businesses selling soap. And that's why today I can bring you a unique offer. This is a premium done-for-you content bundle in the crafts and DIY niche. Welcome to Premium Leatherworking. The leatherworking niche is absolutely massive right now. Ever since the pandemic started, people have been crying out for things to do. But they don't just want any old hobbies, they want hobbies they can turn into small businesses. And leatherworking is perfect for that. It's an industry that mostly consists of solo artisan creators, and yet it's worth over $200 billion every single year. And there are so many opportunities to monetize this overlooked niche, it's unreal. To help you get started, Premium Leatherworking gives you 10 done-for-you articles in various formats. And we're not just talking about cheap 500-word PLR articles here. Each professionally written article is at least 1,500 words long, but that's not all. We've turned these articles into lovingly crafted PDF files with simple but original layouts that are going to wow your audience. To pull all of this together, we've even included a carousel Instagram post for each article. So your content is done for you, your layout is done for you, and your promotional strategy, well, that's done for you as well. We've put a lot of work into the presentation of these articles so that you don't have to. We wanted them to look $1 million, so they make you look $1 million. And if you need to make alterations, well, we're also including the PowerPoint and Word versions of these articles as well. Round that off with an epic 3,000-word bonus beginner's guide to leatherworking, and I think you're going to really love this pack. So make sure you grab your copy now at the special launch price. Enjoy.